So our first step is cooking the quinoa. You'll add 1 cup of quinoa to about 2 cups of water, similar to cooking rice, and you bring it to a boil. And while I let it boil, I'll prep the salad. I like to use ready-made salads like this one because who has time to chop up their own salad? Now this is optional, of course, but I like to add some dried cranberries and sunflower kernels. And then we have our other ingredients like skinny girl dressing, diabetes friendly for sure, no sugar, no fat added. And I'll also have a link in the description for other diabetic friendly dressings you can use and other condiments for other meals. So definitely check out the link in the description section for that. And then we have our garbanzo beans. Of course, I'm lazy, so I use the easy to open lid because who has time for a can opener, you know? And then we put it all together, starting with the mixed ready-made salad. So by now the quinoa is boiling, and that's when I'll want to bring the heat down to a simmer, and I'll let it continue simmering for about 10-15 minutes with the pot covered. Now you'll know the quinoa is ready when it's nice and soft yet still chewy, and you could also notice white spiral-like threads around each grain, and it's ready to eat. At this point I also start maybe adding a little salt to taste. Now for our last step, we mix it all together. And that's the final product, quinoa salad. For more delicious and nutritious low-fat, whole food, plant-based recipes, check out the link in the bio section.